Model, 2008 Vauxhall Vivaro short wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI double cab factory fitted crew cab FSH. Body, silver, factory crew cab. Mileage, 170,893. MOT, the 20th of September 2024. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 66 kW. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, full service history, 2 keys, electric windows. This is a very clean factory fitted crew cab. First to see and drive will definitely buy grin. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.